Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a very exciting video. Actually, I'm really excited to film this. I'm doing a review of the GIORGIO Armani Prima Color Correcting Glow Moisturizer. Now I already did like a review, not like a review, I already have tried this product on my Instagram Reels. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, you should definitely do that. It's at Rama Blogger, where I always post like the latest fashion styles, the latest like products that I use and stuff like that. So I've already did like a Reels video regarding this tinted moisturizer, and I was thinking, you know what, I didn't do a video here on my YouTube channel. So today's video is a review video, and also I'm gonna try this as well with you guys on camera and just show you my thoughts and opinion regarding this product more in depth, because I can see there's loads of people interested in regarding this product. And honestly, if you have seen my Instagram Reels, it definitely gives me such an amazing glow. So this is like a small hint, but anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling about this product. Well, I actually need to ramble regarding this product, and also need to tell you guys the purpose and the benefits regarding this product. So I'm just going on the Armani website. So basically, what is exactly this product? It says on the packaging it's a color control glow moisturizer, and also got SPF 35. On the Armani website it says it's a Prima CC cream. It's a ultra sheer tinted moisturizer. So it's like a CC cream, a tinted moisturizer, could be even a light foundation as well. So it's like a hybrid product of a moisturizer and a color correcting tinted cream basically. So basically it's the new anti-tightness gem for lackluster skin. It's a single step to new generation color correcting makeup. It hydrates, protects, prevents the signs of aging, creates a more even complexion, and reduces the appearance of blemishes, resulting in a glowing skin and a particular radiance. It's an all-in-one product that revives tight skin and adapts to any skin tone. This CC cream offers the equivalent of all benefits of the restorative night sleep. So this product on the website got literally 5 stars out of 5, so it's a really hyped up and really popular product. And it's currently sold out, completely sold out on the website. And I got my hands on this a long time ago, and I'm so excited to try it. How to apply is basically use after skincare, or you can use it alone. I have freshly put a moisturizer on, and also I've done my brows, you guys can tell, and also I've put a little bit of concealer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna zoom you guys a bit closer, and let's just start with the application. So I zoomed you guys a bit closer, and touch wood, like honestly, I'm so happy with my skin. It looks so great. It's a literally perfect condition. Even though it's December, my skin is very dry. I somehow managed to get my skin in really good condition. So the only thing, as I said, I've used is just a bit of concealer, and I've done my brows. And honestly, there's nothing else on my face. You guys can see, I'm sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder. There's literally nothing on my face. So yeah. I honestly don't even need to use this kind of product, but sometimes if I want to zhuzh up a little bit, or if I want to take some nice pictures, I like to wear something like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little bit from this product. So the product comes like this, very lovely application, so very nice and pointy, very easy to control the product, how much you want and how much you don't. So I'm going to take a little bit of this product. Now this, let me show you the texture. It's not like a runny texture, it's more like this kind of cream. There we go. It's more like a cream, kind of very light, very, let me put it on back of my skin. It's this very nice light, kind of lightweight coverage, very easy to apply. You guys can see it sinks in very nicely onto the skin, and yeah, and it sets very lovely as well. So the texture of this is very lovely. So I'm gonna take a little bit again and put it on my skin. Now also, sorry if I look at the viewfinder, and I got my trusty mirror in here, so I'm gonna also use my mirror and just apply. So you guys can see there's literally nothing on my face. I got a little bit of redness now, not too much of redness, just a little bit. So I'm gonna put a few dots in here, and maybe some dots in here. Honestly, I've put too much product on my finger, so I'm gonna just rub it in. I like to use my fingers because I feel like my fingers are much more easier to distribute the product, and much more better rather than like a brush. I don't hardly use any brushes on my face, but maybe I will go with the beauty blender on top of it to just even out the face. You guys can see how easy this applied. Can you guys see that? It literally distributed on my skin so easily. It's like a cream, and that's what I like about this product. And it smells so good. It smells this classic Armani scent. Now I also tried the Glow Moisturiser, but it has no tint and it smells so lovely and rosy. This has this kind of same kind of scent. And this is the one cheek done. Can you guys see the difference? This is the cheek with the Armani Prima Glow Moisturiser, and this is the cheek without the moisturizer. There is a slight difference. The skin is much more even, much more like glowy and more radiant. And this is the skin without the moisturizer, and this is the one with. It gives a very nice even skin tone. Like, it blurs imperfections, it covers the redness, and it just improves your skin texture and your skin like cheeks, which I really like sometimes. Like, I do like the polished skin, glass skin look. So this product literally does it all. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly do the other side and also do my forehead. Now you guys can see my forehead, there's hardly any breakouts, thank God. So I'm gonna also put a little bit on my forehead. Ooh, before I do this, let me also put some little bit on my nose. Now also the nose is a very important kind of area on the face, because let me do this side as well while I talk, because also the nose has lots of imperfections and kind of redness and it's kind of blackheads. Honestly, the blackheads are just never ending, and something like this is really good for the nose as well. So I'm gonna put some little bit on my nose, you guys can see that, and honestly within like 2 seconds it covers my nose so perfectly, so evenly. It's like this very light tinted cream. Look at that, it's finished, this is done. My whole face doesn't even take me like 2 minutes. This is how quick this product absorbs, how quickly this product distributes, and how quick this product even covers. Now if you have very perfect skin, maybe like at the moment like mine, something like this, you don't need a second layer. If you put a tiny bit, like a thin layer, and that's you done. This is you finished look. This is how easy and lovely this product is. There we go. This is all of my under the side of my face is all done. So all I need to do is, I don't even need to apply some on my forehead, because my whole forehead hasn't got any imperfections. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my forehead as well. And just like that, my whole face is lovely and covered with this CC cream. And normally I would go with a powder on top to set it if I use like a normal foundation, or if it's more like summer, spring, summertime, the more hotter days. However, since it's December, since it's a colder days, I am stopping the powdering, because my face gets completely dry and looks very cakey and looks like obvious of makeup, because my whole purpose sometimes is to make like a natural finish, to make it look like I'm wearing any kind of sort of makeup, if it makes any sense. So you can do whatever you want, but honestly I like this look. And also the only reason why I'm not powdering is you don't need to powder with this CC cream, since it's a moisturizer. And also the main purpose of this product is it should give you a lovely glow. Now I got my studio lights in here and also a little bit of natural light at the front, and can you guys see the lovely subtle glow that this cream is giving me? Look at that. Look at this glow. Look how amazing. This is my side profile with my lovely nose. Look how lovely the glow is, and even the forehead. I put a little bit on my forehead. Can you guys see the glow that this product has given me? Honestly, I love it so much. It's a glow moisturizer. It's like a tinted glow CC cream. Like, it's such a hybrid. I love all of those words together in one product. This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. And let me just zoom you guys a little bit back. Alright guys, I zoomed you guys a little bit back, and honestly it's been now a couple of minutes and this product has proper set it on my skin, and you guys can see the lovely glow this product has given me. I just love it so much. As I said, you guys, it's a hybrid product of a moisturizer, CC cream, tinted moisturizer, like a light foundation. If you're someone who wants like a light coverage, then this is brilliant, because it doesn't give you this cakey foundation effect. Sometimes foundation does. Or if you're someone who is new into makeup, or if you want to try out the makeup and you don't want to get a foundation, then a CC cream is a really great option, because CC cream basically is a short form now. Oh my god, I should Google this, but I was just gonna think about it. CC cream is like a short form of color correcting. Yes, it's a color correcting cream. This is the word of CC basically. So honestly, it does give me a nice color correcting. There's no more redness. It's just a lovely subtle skin tone look, which I love so much. When I use on my reels, I got so many like DMs from people that, oh my god, send me the link of this product, I want to get this product looks amazing on your skin. And it really does. It really looks amazing on pictures and videos, and honestly gives you a lovely glow as well. Sometimes I like to go with my glowing spray on top, but with this product you don't need to use any type of glowing spray or setting spray because it's just a lovely light coverage CC cream or tinted moisturizer, which gives you a lovely glow. So to conclude this video, I'm going to tell a little bit more information regarding this product. So this product comes in actually, how many shades has it got? It only comes in 5 shades, which this is a negative aspect of this product. If you look at the shades on the website, it starts off very like a medium kind of color, all the way to like not like a deep color, definitely more like a medium deep color. So the shade range is really bad. Honestly, they should have bought more shade ranges, but maybe, I don't know, to be honest, why they've only got 5 shade ranges, to be honest. My shade, if you think we are the same color, my shade is number 3. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. My shade is number 3. If you think that we got this kind of similar skin complexion. And this product comes in one size, which is a 30 ml. So this is the 30 ml size, and it retails for where's the price? It retails for £38. So £38 is similar like a foundation price, or just about like a foundation price. So from Giorgio Armani, and all the foundations are obviously a 30 ml. So the price point, of course, is a luxury brand. You guys know that I love the Armani Luminous Silk. It's honestly one of my go-to foundations. It's so brilliant. I got so many people this foundation. Honestly, so many people have been hooked by this foundation from Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I love it. This I love as well. The whole Armani Prima collection basically is this lovely collection, more like a luxurious collection from Armani. It's this kind of skincare infused, makeup infused collection from the Prima range. It's a very lovely collection, the Armani Prima. So I would definitely recommend you guys to go and check this out, and also check out the other product from Armani. You guys know that the Armani Prima, I used the cream as well on my channel. I did a whole review. I love it so much. It's completely finished. Ah, such a lovely cream. And yes, this retails for £38. It comes in 5 shades. In terms of the packaging, I love the packaging that comes in a nice tube. The applicator is this nice pointy, so it's very easily to absorb, easily to distribute this product, and you can fully have the control how much product you want to use regarding this cream. And honestly, this will last you a very long time. So if you're passing by an Armani counter, definitely stop by and check out the CC cream, and also check out the other foundations, because honestly, Armani products in general, if it's skincare, if it's makeup, if it's even fragrance, you guys know that I love Armani, and they have very beautiful products. So this video is also not sponsored. I feel like some of my videos are very sponsored like videos, but I wish they were sponsored, but they are not. So Armani, if you're watching, then please make me your ambassador, or make me the new face of the Armani Prima. I would love to promote your foundations, because I'm a huge fan since the beginning. And yes, you guys, I feel like this was it with this review slash try on of this Prima tinted cream, CC cream, whatever you want to call it, glow moisturizer. So many words on this. So hope you guys all found this video very informative and helpful, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And do let me know what do you think of this. I feel like I hardly use anything, but I don't want to use too much, because honestly, you guys can see a little bit goes a long way, and I've shown you guys obviously on camera. So hope you guys like this look. I do like it how it gives me a nice subtle look, and I love it so much. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for you guys to go and check out the product. So don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos like these. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Hi guys, a little bit later, and a quick interruption regarding that video. I also wanted to share with you guys the end of the day with the CC cream. I am just midway creating more content for my Instagrams, and I thought it's quite late actually. I don't know if you guys can see the outside, it's quite dark already. So thank God for those lovely studio lights that give us a nice light in our videos. I wanted to share with you guys the final result of the CC cream from the Armani Prima CC cream from Giorgio Armani. It's final day, it's the final working hour for me. And what is the time now? I think the time is around 6 o'clock, and I have been wearing that foundation around 1 o'clock, so it's been now a good 5 hours. And I want to do like a quick check-in and show you guys how my skin is looking at the moment. I'm looking in the viewfinder, and you guys, look how lovely this glowing skin is. Sorry if I'm shaking a little bit because my camera is quite heavy. I just love how it still has this glow. It's not like a sweat glow, it's like a glow from within. And my skin looks so smooth, so nice. The coverage is perfect. It didn't budge or doesn't anything. Like you guys can see from the nose part area as well. Yes, I've been touching my nose a little bit, but that's fine. This is normal. But overall, I'm really happy how this looks, and I would definitely recommend you guys to go and check it out.